All right, this is the 1978 Honda Z50A. I did a bunch of work to this. It's been repainted. It has a new tank, and I repainted it with the candy orange. And it's mostly original. It's got a few new parts on it. New front fender. This is plastic. New headlight. It's got the original handlebars. Unfortunately, these are seized, but they just stay upright like this. Brand new tires and tubes. The brakes are good. The engine's good. Starts and runs good. Has a new carburetor and air filter. And I changed the spark plug and the points and the condenser. Changed the oil, of course. It does leak a little bit of oil. Let me see if I can. See, it's a little bit wet on the bottom of the engine, but you know, it's 40 years old. Repainted the rear fender. Has a new, brand new brake light cover. Brand new sprockets and chain, and I changed out the front sprocket for 14 teeth, so it'll go a little bit faster. I can get it up to 35 plus, and I'm a 200-pound adult. I repainted the flywheel cover. It looks almost new. Just a little smudge on here. But there you have it, new seat cover. And as I mentioned before, new gas tank. The old one was completely rusted out. It was like Swiss cheese in the bottom. But overall, this is a good running, easy to maintain motorcycle. Hasn't been started yet today. It's cold. Switch is relocated under the seat here, kill switch. Gas is on, choke is on.